This little building may not look like much, but 100 years ago it was the Ladera Cash Market. And today, thank you, Google Earth, it's still standing stubborn as ever, just with fewer groceries and more pigeons. With the magic of computers, and I mean magic, I mean hours of yelling at my printer, I took these two photos, a dash of memory, and some highly questionable graphic practices to recreate the front of Smitty's Barbershop. It's not museum quality, but it passes the 6-foot rule and doesn't burst into flames. I'm calling it a win. Here it is in all its glory, Smitty's by night, because nothing says childhood memories like a glowing barber pole and a slightly crooked door frame that lights up like Vegas. The exterior may look peaceful, but don't be fooled. This is where the real danger lives. That spinning barber pole, as my aunt said, make it spin, so I proved her wrong without electrocuting myself more than twice. Here's the inside. Honestly, running this little barber pole is more complicated than it was to launch Sputnik. Capacitors, resistors, voltage regulators, and a strong sense of regret. But hey, it spins. And now, Smitty's Barbershop holds a special place of honor in my train set, right between the Crafton School and the Railroader Diner. It may be 1/48 scale, but the memory's full-sized.